Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 24th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all the benefits and watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold is definitely playing out very, very nicely. It's actually doing pretty much exactly what we expected. First of all, this first move down is likely a wave A. We're probably likely in a wave B right now. How exactly a wave B is going to play out is a little unpredictable because corrections can play out in many, many different ways. I definitely think the first move up is an A of B. Whether it turns into a little bit more of a complex correction like this, I think is probably more likely, probably some sort of a wave B and then a C. I think we're going to go up to the 61, 78, maybe even the 88% for the wave B before we potentially make another bigger push down for the wave C. So I would expect to see a correction probably playing out at least until tomorrow, finishing off a wave B. Sometimes wave Bs even can go up and make new highs, so definitely keeping that in mind before we actually make a big push to the downside for a bigger wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.